everybody, Rasam and Appam in the house. Today we are going to prepare some homemade curd and the ingredients of this dish are. So we'll take 500 ml of full fat milk and allow it to boil. So after you've seen the milk that was boiled, we have cooled it down to a temperature that is warm, lesser than the normal warmth. Okay. Now what we'll do is, we'll take some curd, about 2 tablespoons of curd, and we have added a little water to it, or even the curd leaves water. We'll just kind of mix it up a little, make it a little loose. Okay. Just mix it up a little. Just take the curd and add it to the nice full fat milk. The reason why we have taken full fat milk is because the quality of the curd also turns out to be similar. Now we'll just give it a light stir. Okay, just a light stir. Now the thing is, when you mix it in a certain vessel, you have to move it to a different vessel for it to set. You cannot keep it in the same vessel for the curd to set. So I'm moving into a different vessel altogether. Okay. Now we'll take our dahi, which we had put it in another vessel. We'll put it in this casserole. Okay. Cover it with a lid and close the casserole very lightly, and you have to keep it still overnight for about 8 to 9 hours. Okay, do not move, do not shift for another 8 to 9 hours. And like my mama does, she closes this so that no one touches this vessel at all. So this is the next morning now, and we'll just see how our dahi has turned up. So just opening our casserole, moment of truth. Looks yummy, but let's just, oh, that looks so good. Guys, look at that. It's such a beautiful form, nice and thick. Okay, so guys, do try this and let me know how it has turned out. Guys, this recipe is so easy and also foolproof too. Do let me know your feedback and comments, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe on Facebook, Instagram and especially YouTube, because it's free of cost. Bye bye guys, until next time.